how to log into Epic Games account. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to log into your Epic Games account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using the Epic Games launcher or the Epic Games website, everything is same. So let's get started. First, start by opening the Epic Games launcher, or you can simply open your web browser and search for Epic Games in the web browser. Scroll down a little bit and simply tap on epicgames.com. Now tap on 3 horizontal bars at the top and simply click on sign in. Here simply again click on sign in. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, no worries, just click on the forgot your password link to reset it. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security, Epic Games will ask you to enter a code sent to your email or authentication app. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the Epic Games home screen. From here, you can access all your games purchases and any free games available.